Hi, in this video I'll give you a short introduction on the new Waves Fit controller integration in Mixing Station. To get started, first of all plug in your Fit controller and make sure it's in LV1 mode. In case it isn't, you can switch to LV1 mode by pressing and holding down Solo and 1 while powering up the controller. Once that is done, fire up Mixing Station and go to the app settings and make sure MIDI is enabled. Now you can go to the MIDI tab, click on New Device, and Mixing Station should already show your Fit controller. In case it shows a different device, you can always change the input and output assignment here. Click on Apply, and that's it, you're ready to go. Now I'll show you the default mapping in Mixing Station, which you can always change if you want to. The top button row are your select buttons. The exact action which those buttons execute is shown in the top row of the LCDs. The knobs below can control multiple things. You can see the current parameter and value that is controlled by the knobs in the LCD as well. Below the knobs are your regular solo and mute buttons. On the right you have your Mixing Station layers, which allow you to go through the different layers of Mixing Station, and you have other utility buttons. The top utility button changes the parameter that you're controlling with the knobs. By default this is pan, gate and compression, gain and parametric EQ. The next couple of buttons are unassigned, but you can assign them to whatever you want. For example, start and stop of the USB audio recorder. Flip allows you to enable Sense on Fader mode. While Flip is enabled, the top select buttons can be used to select which mix you want to have selected in Sense on Fader. Pressing Flip again will disable Sense on Fader altogether. Spill is for spilling channels of a DCA onto the faders. To use it, select the DCA and press Spill. The controller will now show all members of the DCA. By default, the tap tempo button is assigned to FX Rack 1, which you'll probably want to change. To do that, simply click on the Fit device in Mixing Station to open the device overview. Then enable Find Controller, which will automatically highlight the device that is sending a value. Now we tap the tempo button, and as you can see, Mixing Station automatically selected our tempo button. On the right hand side you see that we have one action associated, and by clicking on this action we can edit it. Now it's just a matter of selecting the FX rack you want to use for the tap delay button. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and feel free to comment and press like. See you in the next one. Bye.